guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Rita Amanyire. I do travel and lifestyle vlogs on here. I'm based in Kampala, Uganda. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and hit the bell button so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So today's video is basically different days in my life. So it's sort of like a day in the life vlog, but different days. So I'm currently heading out for a workshop. I felt like I needed to get out of the house, and also the reason why I like going for different workshops is because they sort of broaden my mind and I'm able to, think outside the box. So I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. So enjoy the video and be sure to subscribe to the channel.
He's one of those legends in this country. He's a guitarist. He plays a 12-star guitar. He plays a 12-strings guitar. Oh, Taylor's. That's his brand. Alex. I worked with Alex to do a show. And Alex paraded us. We were 25. We were 25. We were 18 boys and 8 girls. We did a very good job.
Hi guys, so the workshop just ended. I'm at Carrefour trying to do some shopping. I'm basically just here to pick toiletries because I have the other things. So I need a deodorant, I need a disinfectant, and yeah, just a few things from the supermarket. Otherwise the workshop went well. There was a lot to learn. I like being in such spaces because it was like a dance workshop, so there was a lot of to learn, because you can still apply those things to your normal life or any other life. So I had fun. There is another session tomorrow. I don't know if I'll go for it. It will depend on my schedule. So basically now I'm just doing some shopping, then I head back home. The phone wasn't what do they call it, participating, so I decided to hold it in my hands. I usually hate holding it in my hands because it strains my hand, and so I need that stand. But anyway, today is day 2. Today is Wednesday. I decided to still go for the workshop, because for the other part of the workshop, because I realized the lineup today was really good. So it's a social media workshop today. They're talking about social media today at the workshop. So I was like, okay, that's something that relates to me. So I'm going to do that, attend the workshop and see if I can learn a thing or two. So that's where I'm headed. Yeah, so let's go. Then another thing that I'd forgotten is that I'm meeting my friend Uzaifa. So I'm so excited because I felt like the workshop would also work for him, because he's into a lot of stuff, he's artistic and all that. So I called him up and he's free, so we're going to meet there. So it will be nicer because I'll have a friend to attend the workshop with. So that's where I'm headed. It's very hot, it's very sunny in Kampala at the moment. That's why I decided to wear an off-shoulder top, so that the heat is just too much. So let's head there. Then I always want to show you guys my outfit of the day, but it's very hard to do outfit of the days in landscape. Ignore that mess in the background. It's a box, and usually that's what I keep. The boxes are kept on top of the thing. But anyway, this is my outfit of the day. I really like this top. I got this top from the fashion spot UG. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm always mentioning them. I think I've even mentioned them here before. But since it's hot, I decided to do an off-shoulder top, like I said. And then I like it because it has like this cut in the back. And yeah, it's a nice top for this hot weather. So basically that's my outfit of the day. I can't show you the pants, but I'm wearing these pants from Hummel UK. I bought those from the Hummel store at Acacia Mall. They had a 50% promo, I should say, and that's when I got the pants, and I like them because they are light, and I'm not a person who over loves jeans, especially when it's hot. I feel suffocated, so they work best for me. My earrings are from what's her name? They are from my OG. She has a thing at Craft Village. She's called Vicky. I'll leave all these details are usually in my description box. So that's why I got the earrings from. Lipstick is by Maybelline, and hair is by my Bugolobi Ladies, as you always know. And yeah, what else? Bracelet. This is a gift. So yeah, basically that's my outfit of the day. So let's go so that I don't get late. I don't want to be late for the workshop.
And I want to assume that pitching is not an entirely new concept, right or wrong?
Right, it's not entirely new.
So what's been our experience with pitching?
It's very challenging. You have to be very confident like who you're pitching to and how to make it to like what you kind of think they want to hear or what you think will excite them about it. Like you don't give the same pitch, like even if it's the same product, you don't give the same pitch to different people because you're an alcohol company, you're an insurance company, and you're a charity, whatever. Like you're very different. So I wouldn't give the same pitch.
Okay, hard, complex, you have to be versatile, different audiences. And typically where do we normally pitch?
Delivery, how are you using the platforms to enhance the things that you know how to do.
Hi, Huzaifa.
Hello.
Say hi to my
I just had
subscribers.
like a whole mind-blowing session. Yeah, it's at 5 p.m. 30 at the conference. Different interests.
Let's go up to the top. And then we also have the mirror exhibition on Friday. We have some visual artists who are doing amazing things down there. So come through, it's going to be really chill. We have
Introduce yourself, say hi, because I know the super is meeting you.
The one and only, obviously. I mean,
guys, Huzaifa attended the workshop. How was the workshop?
Was everything looked
You see, I always invite him for nice things that help you.
But finally, today actually showed up.
Yeah, finally you showed up after all the event, but it was really nice. So that is it for today. I'll see you in the vlog tomorrow, which will
So
be
this is the after
tomorrow
party.
is going to this is like the after party. We just bought drinks from the supermarket. So tomorrow we have another session, but it's at 5. I hope you make
same
it this
location,
time.
yeah. I have to.
Okay.
I have to.
See you guys tomorrow.
Peace.
Guys, today is Thursday, so I'm here for another session for the workshop. And yeah, just finished climbing the stairs, that's why I'm panting. So I'm trying to find the conference room so that I go for the conference, for the workshop, sorry, because it's like a panel discussion today.
On your own so that you get to relate with these words. And then the next time you see you are on your door, you don't run. You have the knowledge and the capacity to negotiate. So I'll take two questions and then we'll close with them giving us their closing remarks. Yes, please. Don't get them into these fights.
Morning guys, how are you doing this morning? I didn't do an update from like yesterday to today because I came late in the evening. I started after the workshop, but it went well. As you saw, there's always a lot to learn. I like going for those workshops because first it's like an avenue to meet new people, and really the main thing is to learn from the people, because I feel like when I listen to like different people from different fields, I always have something to pick. So otherwise, today is Friday. Good morning. Today I was supposed to edit a video yesterday, but power was off, so really that one messed up my schedule. And yeah, now I'm just going to make breakfast and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be making. So basically, I have some leftover chips that I made last night for dinner, and it's what I'm going to make. Like, okay, they are dry because this is like the next morning, so I want to make sort of like a paste with the chips. I love this recipe because it tastes really nice. I've shared it on my Instagram before. I've already cut the onions. I usually use only onions and garlic, but if you want, you can use tomatoes, you can put green pepper, carrots, veggies, whatever you want. So basically that's what I'm going to make with the chips. So I use this peanut butter. My friend Brenda makes this peanut butter. I'm going to leave her number in the description box so that you can support her. So it will be like those chips. It's sort of like masala chips but with like peanut butter. So I was saying that I use about 3 spices. So it's usually like Royco, because also I don't like spicy food. So I usually use like what do they call it, Royco. I'll put like coriander and maybe black pepper because I like black pepper. I like that tingy feeling that it gives me. So now I've added the peanut butter paste and then I mix. Keep mixing. I'll add water. I don't want mine to be very thick, so I've just put 1 spoon. But if you want a thick consistency, you can always put it 2 spoons. And then now I'll just pour in my chips and mix well till everything is done. And that will be it. Hi guys, so just finished having my breakfast, and basically it's been a good week for me. As you saw, I think I'm going to end the video here. I learned so much from the Moving Identities Festival. It was a workshop, but the title of the whole thing is called Moving Identities. So I had a good time. I learned so much. I think my best session was from Dr. Noel Inchurabo. First of all, I like her because I've watched her TED Talk before. So I remember there's a time I was watching a lot of TED Talks, and I remember seeing her TED Talk. So it was nice to see, at that time, it was nice to see a Ugandan on a TED Talk, like having a TED Talk. And the fact that she was Ugandan and a woman, it was even much more exciting for me. So I'm so glad. Actually, the best session for me at the workshop was from her. I feel like I learned a lot from her, and even the other sessions, but that one was like the most profound for me, I should say. So I learned so much from her. I had a good time. Alliance Francaise put a very good workshop together. They had very good panelists. Via organization, I think I'd give them an 8 out of 10, because I think the people on the panels were really well thought through, because we had Dr. Noel Inchurabo, we had another session that you saw for the lawyers from like Barefoot, we had someone from URA, from URSB, then we had like the marketing manager of Bank. I think her name is Charity. So they really put together something that was really very organized, very intentional, with good speakers, and I think for a workshop that was really good of them. So basically that is it. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, for watching up to the end. If you've watched up to the end, thank you so much. And subscribe to the channel, share the link, leave me a comment, and basically I'll see you in my next video. Bye.